Hey, my name is Dan Leech. I'm a realtor with the Leech Real Estate Group. And my wife and I, Colette, we've been working selling real estate, both residential, commercial, for, over 35 years. And I do try to keep up with the newest technology, the newest kind of gadgets that are out there. And I do also like to have high quality images, high quality video, and high quality marketing materials. I think that's really important. And I've been looking for a while for a solution for a 3D virtual tour. And I really hadn't found anything that really fit and checked all the boxes. I looked at Matterport, wasn't really happy with the pricing on all that. I looked at some other options as well and really hadn't come across anything that I really liked. And I did kind of stumble across Asteroom. And after doing some investigation, looking at the product online, looking at the company, I made the choice to go ahead and buy it. And, I got to tell you, this little device here has changed my mind a lot. This thing is really pretty incredible. I use it for every single one of our listings that we have now. I'll continue to keep using it for all of our listings, and it really does check all the boxes. It is very inexpensive. It provides super high quality images, and it is super easy to use. I don't know how you can go wrong with that, but I will definitely recommend this product to anybody that asks me. Well, maybe not so much to my competitors, because I always want to keep a competitive edge, but everybody else, yeah, absolutely, you really should go out and buy this product because it delivers. It really does. It's really about all I can say. Anyway, hey, this is Dan Leech, and I will talk to you real soon.